My name's Cutler Bonnell. I'm a welding instructor for the ISU welding program. When students come to us, they have a few different options. They can do 1 year, which is a basic technical certificate. They will do the lab portion for a year. They will take 4 related classes, which include welding theory, shop math 1, blueprint reading, and technical drawing. They will be able to go out, they could work at a fabrication shop, kind of get an intermediate baseline opening position. If a student decides they want to do the advanced technical certificate, they would do 1 more year and then have 2 more related classes that they would take. Now the final option, which I try to encourage students to do, is the associate's degree. They would do the full 2 years, lab related classes, and then they would end up taking 6 general ed classes to fulfill the requirements for the AAS. Our facility is remarkable. Everything is brand new. All the ventilation is up to date, the welding machines in particular. We have a gas house that we work with, Norco. We have recently got an automated welding system, the first time in the program's history. We give you the ABCs of welding, so if you come see us for 2 years, we're gonna teach you everything, and that's kind of our main goal, is to make you employable to the highest standard that we can achieve. So if you wanna learn how to weld pipe, you wanna travel and make the top dollar, then you wanna come to Idaho State University Welding Program. We are the premier program in this country.